Hi, this is Mushtaq Amin, and in this video we are going to see how to calculate the volume of RCC elements, and we have already seen how to calculate the concrete mix in RCC elements, and this video will be related to that. This video will be very useful for the site engineers, and let's get into the video. So now we are going to see how to find the volume of all the RCC elements. So it may be any element, but the common formula is volume is equal to area into height. So it can be a rectangular footing, trapezoidal footing, circular column or a beam, but the volume is area into height. So we will calculate the volume for all the RCC element now. Number 1, footing volume. We have many types of footing. So first we will see the rectangular footing. So the common formula is area into height, and the area of the rectangle is L into B. So the volume is L into B into H. Now we will see the trapezoidal footing. So the common formula is area into height. So do you know what is the area of trapezoid? We will see that. Before calculating the area of the trapezoid, we need to divide the trapezoid into 3 different shapes so that it will be easy to calculate. So we have 2 right angle triangle and 1 rectangle. So we will take this side as B2, this one as B1, this one as H, and this one as B3, and this one will be automatically B2. So we will get the area of the trapezoid by adding all the 3 shapes, that is area of triangle 1 plus area of triangle 2 plus area of the rectangle. Now we will see the separate formulas for each shapes. Area of triangle is half into base into height. So the area of triangle 1 is half into B1 into H, and the area of triangle 2 is half into B3 into H, and the area of the rectangle is B into H, that is B2 into H. So the area of trapezoid is, we need to add all the formulas together. So half into B1 into H plus half into B3 into H plus B2 into H. So you'll all be thinking why I have added the 2 by 2 in that formula. So I'll explain that. As we need to take the 1 by 2 as a common factor outside, we have that 1 by 2 in 2 triangle formula, but we don't have it in the rectangle formula. So we need to add a 1 by 2 to the rectangle formula. So we have added a 2 by 2, which is 1 and doesn't make any change when multiplied, but we can take the 1 by 2 out from the 2 by 2. We'll see how. We can now take 1 by 2 out and the 2 remains inside, and now we'll make it as 2b2 since H will also be taken as a common factor out. So now we got 1 by 2 into H into B1 plus B3 plus 2b2. Now we will separate the 2b2 to B2 plus B2, and the top portion of the rectangle will be changed to B, and now the bottom length of the trapezoid will be taken as A. Now it is 1 by 2 into H into A plus B. So the area of the trapezoid is A plus B by 2 multiplied by H. So the height of the trapezoidal footing is D, and the volume is area into height, that is A plus B divided by 2 multiplied by H multiplied by D. So now next footing is square footing. It is same as the rectangular footing, that is L into B into H, but since the breadth and length of the square is same, the formula is L into H, that is L square H. Number 2, we'll see the columns now. First, rectangular column. The volume of the rectangular column is same as the rectangular footing, that is L into B into H. Next, circular column. How do we calculate that? Any ideas? So we will take the common formula, volume is equal to area into height. So the area of the circle is pi r square. So the volume will be pi r square into H. Next, number 3, rectangular beams and slabs. In this, we'll have the length, breadth and depth of the beam or a slab. So taking the common volume formula, we get volume is equal to L into B into D. And this is how we calculate the volume of the RCC elements. And if you like this video, do press the like button and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.